Hello everyone, welcome to Techavro. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to lock apps in your Android phone. Before starting the video, please subscribe to Techavro. So, let's get started. For this, you have to open your settings. Now scroll down. Here you can see security. Press on this. Now here you can see privacy and app encryption. You have to press on this. Now enter your password. Now here you can see app hiding. Press on this. In this page, you can lock your apps as you want. You just have to turn on these buttons. And press on confirm. That's it. So this is how to lock your apps in your Android phone. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.